Welcome to a smart vending machine project designed for interactive shopping experience. Our machine dispenses a variety of snacks including chips, biscuits, chocolates and juices. The key feature of this vending machine is the DWIN display, which enhances user interaction and simplifies the purchasing process. As you see in the screen, you can navigate between different pages by clicking on the previous and next option. If you want to buy any product, you can click on the product and proceed further. If you don't want to buy any product, you can go to home page by clicking on the cancel option. Now we are going to buy biscuit. There are several brands available. If you don't want to buy anything, you can go to the home page by clicking on back option. Select the required brand. Select the buy now option. Scan the QR. Once selected, the payment will be processed. Now the payment is successful. Our product will be dispensed soon. We can collect our product now. Once the purchase is successful, we will be taken back to the home page. Here in our project, we have used DWIN graphic user system, that is DGUS application, which is a GUI development tool for DWIN display. The DWIN display is resistive touch based and the touch sensitivity is less compared to capacitive touch, and also the image quality is slightly lower compared to capacitive touch due to multiple layers. Thank you for watching.